Hi, I'm Vincent Morris with the Vincent Morris Team at Compass Realty. I've been a real estate agent for 24 years, and in that time, I've had the honor of helping over 1,000 families buy and sell their homes. The real estate market has changed drastically, from high interest rates, low-ball cash iBuyers, buyers' expectations, even how homes are marketed and sold. It's a whole new landscape. Getting you the highest price and best terms for your home's value takes strategy, extensive marketing, and experience. We're a full-service real estate team helping you prepare and upgrade your home, marketing it aggressively, both locally and internationally, with print and digital platforms, and negotiating fiercely to maximize your return. We guide you through every step and make sure you're always informed, no surprises, just results. We're proud to be part of Compass, the #1 real estate company in San Diego, because it combines top-tier agents, cutting-edge technology, and world-class marketing to deliver a smarter, faster, and more seamless client experience. I have an incredible team beside me. Together, we bring over 50 years experience with marketing expertise and dedication to every client we serve, and I personally stay involved in every transaction. So when you're ready, I hope you'll consider me and my amazing team. I'll personally meet with you, and I'd be honored to help you with your next move.